Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 not detecting headphones. So in the first step, we need to go to search bar, then type here about your PC, then from the search results, click here to open it. Now this will open a new window, settings window, and from here we need to search for advanced system settings. So you simply scroll down and okay, here we go. Now click here to open it. Simply close this window and this will open system properties, and then select device installation settings and check this. Click on save changes and then select OK. On the next step, again go to search bar and type here device manager and click here to open it. On this window, simply expand sound, video and game controllers, then right click here and select update drivers. Now simply follow my screen. You can see the best drivers for your device are already installed, and once done, simply close the window. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.